No, but for real, come here. Let me get you for a second. Let me get you for a second. Listen, come here.
Cameraman, look.
Fine as fuck. He is. I'm for real. Listen, I wasn't all up in your mouth like that, but your ass gets it. I'm bald. That's what I'm saying, so.
Wait, let me get your number.
Let me see. Why?
Fuck no.
No, stop.
The fuck you got?
I didn't expect that. Come on.
Yeah.
You want to track for us so they ain't gonna track you? Go back. I don't know.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
just
trying to be respectful.
Yeah, just like type in the number and shit like that.
Okay.
Just type it in. Yeah, you typing it.
Don't be taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it, so I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
Lambo?
I'm calling.
Oh my God.
Bingo!